Since its foundation, Valencia has had many names. But since 2014, across the globe, it is known as Valencia City of Running. A few years later, it has the best training circuit in Spain and also the most used one. It hosts one of the fastest marathons in the world. It is the best marathon in Spain and the only one with a platinum label. In addition to having the largest number of finishers, it has witnessed 11 world records. Double world record in 10K, double world record in half marathon, double world record in 10,000 and 5,000 on track. These figures explain why it hosts the best races in Spain in 10K, half marathon and marathon. But Valencia is not a land of records only due to the performance achievements. It is so because of his devotion to running as well. It hosts more than 40 popular races per year, many of them approved by the Royal Spanish Athletics Federation, and some with up to 100 years of history. It is home to more than 30 running and athletics clubs, offers several healthy routes throughout the city, and even has run-friendly hotels. Besides, other major international events have been held here in recent years, such as Half Marathon World Cups, European Triathlon, Triathlon World Cups and Ironman contests. Yes, Valencia is an international reference in the world of running. That's why here, life doesn't pass by, you run it.